Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So we've got a nice, quick and simple one for you, and it relates to the back end of the Clubman. So you can see we've got chrome surrounds on the rear lights. Now I'm going for a dechrome look, and I'm going to show you the back of the car in a second. But I'm going for dechrome, so I want to actually get rid of this chrome in the rear lights. Now I've seen a few different ways where people have masked them off and just painted the outside of the lights, wrapped them, etc. But there's a simple solution that you can get from SMPS. I'll put a link in the description, and that's what I've gone for. So let's show you what we've got. Okay, so if I show you my rear lights. So I want to get rid of this chrome. So you can see I've gone for colour-coded door handles, and they're the actual door handles themselves that have been painted. I've not gone for covers on those. But for this, you can't get in and get to that rear trim without taking the whole light apart. So SMPS do a nice little cover, so you can see there. It'll cover up that chrome strip around it. They'll just stick on, lightweight, and just go on there. So we're going to fit those now and just show you the afters. Okay, so if you see that rear light there, we're just going to be sticking it on. So what you want to do is prep the surface. So I've cleaned it with a degreaser. Just give it a bit of a wipe over and clean. So any of the marks or dirt you can see is actually on the inside of the lens, and that's one of the reasons why. So I've got bits of stuff that has got in through at some point, but that's okay. Our lights are degreased, so all we're going to do now is just peel off the backs of these. Do one by one. It's a little bit tricky. One, the good thing with this, it's a product that you can't really get too wrong. It only fits in one way really. I just find these a little bit tricky to peel off. Okay, so all I've done is got a blade literally under a section of that and lifted it up, just in case you wondered where I went. Peel that off. Let's come this side. Just making sure before you stick it down, you get it in the right place and that it's covering all of your chrome. And then just give it a good press down onto the light. Oh, that's not going anywhere. Nice. If we bring that in, just give some contrast to that rear end. So at the moment it probably looks a little bit odd because we've got that chrome belt line as well, but already I think that black definitely looks much neater for me and cleaner. So we've got obviously this one to go on, and in another video we'll deal with the belt line as well. Okay, so again we've prepped that rear light, just give it a degrease. Now all we're going to do again is just peel the backing off. Now I should kept my blade from the first time because that was much easier. Okay, and then again, just making sure you line it up correctly. Go. And we've got those rear trims on. Okay, so that was a super simple and easy install, and you can see already with the dechrome that's looking much better in my opinion. Obviously not everyone hates the chrome. I've just never been a fan of chrome on the Mini, so I need to get the belt line done as well in the next video, and that should tie all this together in my mind, because then we'll have the gloss black belt line as well, which pulls in those gloss back surrounds. Now we've got lots of stuff, as you can see the car's up in the air, loads of things going on, lots of videos coming. So keep an eye on the channel for any new F54 content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.